If you are having issue where your PC cannot recognize USB device in Windows 10 or 11 and not sure how to fix it, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how you can fix the issue of USB device not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. So follow these step-by-step methods so that you won't miss out. Firstly, the basic thing, plug the USB device into different USB ports on your computer to check if it's working in any of them. Now, moving to method 1. Go inside your this PC and head towards local disk C. Here, click Windows. Now, scroll down and look at INF. Click on it. Now, on the top right corner, type wpd-mt on the search bar. After that, right-click the folder with the exact name and click Install. This will install the correct resources for the USB device. Now, moving to method 2. Go to your search bar and type Device Manager. Here, go to the bottom section where it says Universal Serial Bus Controllers and click on it. Here, depending upon your device name, pick the one that matches yours and right-click on it. And go to Update Drivers. And again, click on Search automatically for drivers. This will look for the best driver, or if it's outdated, this will update it to the latest version. Now, the last method is again, go on the Device Manager section, go to the one that matches your device name on USB device and right-click, uninstall the device and restart your PC. Now, go to your Windows Update and search for the update, which will help you reinstall the driver back, or go to the official website of your device manufacturer and go to Drivers Update to reinstall the USB driver. And that's it for this video on how you can fix the USB device not recognized in Windows 10 or 11. And hopefully this will fix the issue for you. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.